Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the Canadian dream, a land brimming with possibilities. Canada has always been a place where people from all walks of life come to build a better future. With its breathtaking landscapes, diverse communities, and welcoming spirit, Canada offers a fantastic quality of life and a bright future. From bustling cities to cozy towns, Canada welcomes newcomers with open arms. Whether you're looking for top-notch education, healthcare for everyone, or safe and friendly neighborhoods, Canada has something special in store for you. The Canadian government is dedicated to attracting skilled individuals and boosting the economy, making it even more appealing. But remember, moving to a new country is a big decision and takes careful thought and planning. This guide will walk you through each step of immigrating to Canada, explaining the key requirements, processes, and resources to make your move as easy as possible. By understanding how Canadian immigration works, you can confidently embark on this exciting adventure and turn your dream of calling Canada home into a reality. Alright, let's dive into finding the right path for you. Choosing the right visa. The first step in navigating the Canadian immigration system is figuring out which visa program suits your situation and goals. Canada offers a variety of immigration options, each designed for specific needs. If you're a skilled worker aiming for permanent residency, the express entry system is your main route. This points-based system evaluates candidates on things like age, education, work experience, language skills, and adaptability. If you have a job offer from a Canadian employer, the Provincial Nominee Program, or PNP, lets provinces and territories recommend individuals who match their specific job market needs. Family sponsorship is another option, allowing Canadian citizens and permanent residents to sponsor their close relatives to immigrate to Canada. Additionally, Canada offers temporary visa choices, like study permits for international students and work permits for those with a valid job offer. It's super important to carefully check the eligibility criteria and requirements of each program to determine the best fit for you. Okay, so you found the right visa program, great. Now let's talk about the application process. This usually involves creating an online profile, filling in your personal details, uploading supporting documents, and paying the required fees. The exact documents you'll need might differ based on the program you're applying for, but they typically include your passport, educational qualifications, language test scores, and police certificates. Make sure all your documents are accurate, complete, and submitted on time. The Canadian government is big on transparency and honesty throughout the immigration process. After you've submitted your application, it will be reviewed by immigration officers who will determine if you're eligible based on the program's criteria. They might ask you to come in for an interview or provide more documents during this assessment. While you're waiting for a decision on your application, it's time to start preparing for your big move to Canada. This means gathering all the essential documents, finding a place to live, and getting familiar with Canadian customs and rules. Make sure your passport is valid for a good while, and that you have any necessary travel visas. It's also a good idea to open a Canadian bank account and transfer some money to cover your initial expenses when you arrive. The cost of immigrating to Canada depends on things like family size, visa type, and settlement costs. It's crucial to budget for application fees, travel expenses, healthcare coverage, and living costs for the first few months. By taking the time to plan and prepare carefully, you can ensure a smoother transition and set yourself up for success in your new life in Canada.